Hi everyone, I'm Emma, and today we're going to do something amazing together. English is not about being perfect. It's about being brave enough to speak. Every mistake, that's learning. Every pause, that's effort. For the next 10 minutes, give yourself permission to sound imperfect. This is your time, your practice, your voice. Let's make it fun. Let's make it real. Let's begin. How this challenge works. You will hear 5 short stories, each representing a different English level. Your task is simple. Repeat immediately. Don't stop. Don't translate. Follow the rhythm. Follow the emotion. If a level feels hard, that's perfect. That means you're growing. Level 1. Beginner. What this level means? This level is for beginners. You'll practice simple sentences. Focus on speaking slowly and clearly. If you finish this level, you have a strong foundation. Warm-up motivation. Relax your shoulders. Take a deep breath. Let your voice wake up. Story 1. A small morning joy. Beginner. I wake up early. Sunlight fills my room. I brush my teeth and drink a glass of water. Then I open the window. Outside, a little bird sits in a tree. It looks at me and starts to sing. Its song sounds cheerful. I smile. I walk into the kitchen. On the table there is a note. It says, "Have a wonderful day." I feel surprised and happy. I think to myself, today will be a good day. If you can repeat this story, you are already learning. Small steps still move you forward. Level 2. Elementary. What this level means? Elementary level is for learners who understand short stories and simple feelings. If this feels difficult, you are learning at the right level. Warm-up motivation. Great job continuing. Now let your voice flow naturally. Don't worry about mistakes. Just keep moving. Story 2. Words that matter. Elementary. I am on my way to work. The street is loud with cars and people. Suddenly my phone buzzes. I check the screen. It is a message from my mom. She says, "I am proud of you." I stop walking and read it again. I remember how hard I have worked. My heart feels warm. I reply, "Thank you, Mom. That means a lot." I continue walking, smiling. Her message makes my whole day brighter. Keep practicing. Every small action counts in real life and English. Level 3. Intermediate. What this level means? Intermediate level is for learners who understand ideas, not just words. You can follow a story without translating every sentence. This is real-world English. Many conversations happen at this level. Warm-up motivation. This level builds real fluency. Stay focused. Stay curious, trust your rhythm, and keep shadowing. Story 3. Doing the right thing. Intermediate. I am shopping at the supermarket when I notice a wallet on the ground. I pick it up and look inside. There is money and an identification card. I glance around, but no one seems to be looking for it. So, I take the wallet to the cashier and explain what happened. He makes an announcement. Soon, a young woman rushes over. She looks nervous, but when she sees her wallet, her face changes. She smiles and says, "Thank you so much." I leave the store feeling proud. Small acts of honesty can truly make someone's day. Courage and attention to others matter. Speaking English helps you tell your story clearly. Level 4. Upper intermediate. What this level means? Upper intermediate level is for learners who can understand emotions, opinions, and subtle meaning. You can feel the story, not just hear it. This level means you can communicate clearly and confidently. Warm-up motivation. You're doing something powerful. Feel the emotion. Let your voice rise and fall naturally. Story 4. Speaking from the heart. Upper intermediate. I meet a close friend at a quiet cafe. We haven't spoken in a long time, and at first, the silence feels uncomfortable. Slowly we begin to talk. We share our mistakes and admit how we hurt each other, without anger or blame. Expressing our feelings is difficult at first. As time passes, we relax. We laugh, we cry, and the heaviness between us disappears. When we leave, I feel calmer and lighter. Not every problem is solved. But honesty brings healing. Sometimes the hardest conversations are the most meaningful. Expressing feelings in English is real fluency. Keep practicing every day. Level 5. Advanced. What this level means. Advanced level is for speakers who understand complex ideas, motivation, and subtle meaning. You may not know every word, but you understand the message. If you can shadow this level, your English is very strong. Warm-up motivation. This is your challenge level. Speak boldly. Stay calm. You are training like an advanced speaker now. Story 5. The Power of Persistence. Advanced. I started learning English many years ago, and at the beginning it felt overwhelming. Every sentence required effort, and improvement was slow and frustrating. Still, I chose to practice every day. I watched videos, took notes, and spoke whenever I had the chance. There were moments when quitting felt tempting, but I kept going. Over time, I noticed real progress. I could understand movies without subtitles and express complex ideas with confidence. Through this journey, I learned an important truth. Achievement is not just about talent. Consistency, patience, and focused practice are the true foundations of success. Progress may be invisible at first, but its results are deeply rewarding. You have reached a high level of fluency. Keep practicing and sharpening your English every day. Closing. Your level is not where you stop. It is where you start practicing. If a level felt hard, practice it again tomorrow. Fluency comes from repetition, not talent. Comment below. Which level felt right for you today? Keep speaking. Your English is growing. And if you enjoyed this practice, smash that like button, subscribe to my channel, and join me for daily English practice. Let's grow together and speak English with confidence.